What's up, YouTube? Let's go for a road test. We have a Honda Accord. I'm not sure what year it is. It doesn't really matter to me until I get in the shop. Customer complaint is that the wheel is shaking, or something's going on shaking at different speeds. So first, what I want to do is a visual. Not that that always means something. So we got fairly new tires here. We have tire shot here. Looks like a shifted belt already with a little misalignment. So I really technically don't need to drive this car. This looks like it's got a new tire here and a new tire there. So it appears that this car only has three new shoes on it. But we're gonna go for a road test anyway, and you're gonna ride along. Let's see if it starts. Hey, it starts. Broken windshield. It was already here for an oil change. I guess they declined some other stuff. 131,000 miles. How's the air? Air is not on max AC. Definitely got a motor mount vibration. We got someone's wallet left in here. I wonder whose this is. This is nobody's wallet? Nobody's wallet with money in it. This is Primo's wallet. Like this, for me, buying a used car would drive me nuts. I would insist that they put a new mirror on it. Anyway, so let's go for a ride. So we got a little engine vibration. So the motor mount is definitely shot or something else is wrong. I don't really need to go for a super duper long road test because this car does not have a tag on it. So I'm going to turn the AC down. We're going to take a listen. So the vibration is gone in drive, and I don't feel it. Steering wheel shaking in my hand as we're driving already. So it's safe to say that the right front tire is shot. The steering wheel is definitely showing the mileage. Steering wheel is off to the right. Tire lights on. So the car wants it pull to the right, shimmy to the right on acceleration. Hard acceleration. We don't have any drive shaft shutters. So now I want to get this back to the shop because this needs a shakedown and a visual inspection. So I can't just guess on this one, right? Because we all guess. But I can tell you, based on what I'm feeling, the right engine mount's bad. The alignment is off. The left front tire is shot. And what I need to know also about this car is what else is going on. Does it have a caliper hanging up on top of it? A bad tire and a misalignment? That's just shaking as we drive, baby. It sounds like it's got a bad hub bearing on the left front too. But that could come from tire noise. So let me figure it out. Thanks for coming along on my road test.